In the bright, floating city of Aerovia, Nova woke up excited for a brand new adventure.
Her tiny robot friend Zippy powered up, ready to zoom and help Nova. Suddenly, a warning flashed. Something was terribly wrong.
The sky bloom that powered Aerovia was losing its glow. Nova knew they had to act fast to save the city. They geared up, ready to begin their rescue mission. Together, they soared through Aerovia's glowing sky. The bloom trembled with its... The scan revealed 3 missing glow crystals needed for restoration.
A portal to the crystal realms opened before them.
They entered Bubble Valley, a world of bouncing colors.
But most bubbles showed fake crystals, tricky illusions everywhere. A golden bubble revealed the first real glow crystal. Next, they stepped into Robo Forest, a land alive with machinery.
A giant robot owl blocked the path to the second crystal.
Zippy spoke in robot light language to show they were friendly.
Impressed, the owl gifted them the second glow crystal.
They entered the Storm Realm, the toughest challenge yet.
They braved a crackling maze of lightning to reach the crystal. Together, they secured the last glow crystal safely.
With all 3 crystals, they raced back home. Nova placed the crystals, reigniting the bloom's magic.
Bloom transformed into a radiant powerhouse of color.
The whole city sparkled again, brighter than ever.
Nova and Zippy celebrated their victory as true heroes of the sky. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.